for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie? Hello. I just had some tea. Do you like tea?
Yeah.
Would you like to draw a teapot?
Yeah.
Greetings, little artists.
Oh, yeah.
Well, you're excited. Let's go get your pens.
Okay.
He's ready, he's steady, he's going to start. Watch out, Betty, he's gonna make art.
What a fantastic day to do some art.
It's always a great day for arts, Betty. All right, let's draw a curvy shape on the left, a sort of bulbous shape. And then the same on the right, but we've got to leave some gaps. There's one gap. There's two gaps. Let's join them up at the bottom with a big curve. A big smiley face shaped curve. Now we'll do a flat oval shape for the saucer that the teapot sits on. And the underside of the saucer. Very good, Artie. You don't think so? Well, I think it's very good. Now we're going to do the top of the teapot with a curve, and then another curve just above that. And then let's do the lid of the teapot. We'll do a half circle. And a sideways C for the handle on the top of the lid. Looking good, but what about the spout? The spout is the part of the teapot where the tea pours out. Okay, Artie, what's on the opposite side of the spout? It's the handle. Now we're going to draw the handle just where those two gaps were. Remember when Artie left those gaps? Now the handle goes in and fills those gaps up.
Hey, Miss Betty, stay awake. We gotta help the kid to create.
Is Betty getting a little sleepy there? She probably needs a nice cup of tea. Now, let's do the left eye as an oval, but the right eye as a circle. That gives the eyes two different shapes, and it really adds character. Time for the pupils. Oh, this is definitely a happy teapot. Joke break. All right, I need a laugh too. Let's have a joke break. Mikey, you're on.
Why was the broom late to class? It overswept.
Overswept. I get it. Well, Artie, you let off some steam there, so let's draw some steam. The steam coming out of the teapot spout. I call this shape a cloud shape because it looks a little bit like clouds in the sky. Finished? Great job, Artie. Time to colour in. Oh, he looks so good now you've coloured him in. I love the colours you picked. And I really love his funny face. Let's go make a big pot of tea. Teapot, 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 teapot.
See you later, Artie.
Have a great day, Artie.
Thanks everyone for watching. Have an arty day, and we'll see you really soon.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye.